Congratulations on your new smart garden! Here's how to set it up. Once you've unboxed your new Click and Grow Smart Garden Starter Kit, put the transparent domes aside. Then take out the cavities and remove the U-shaped lids. Like so. Now it's time to plant your plants. First, unwrap your new Smart Soil capsules. Then carefully place them in the cavities. Pop the U-shaped lids back on them. And click the cavities in the garden. Place the plastic domes back over each capsule until the sprouts reach them. They ensure faster and healthier germination. To keep track of your plants, you can label each capsule. The plastic cavities, U-shaped lids, and domes are reusable, so make sure to not throw them away after use. Fill the garden up with water until the float is on the same level with the lid and not higher. Add more water once the float has sunk down to the bottom again. Now you can plug your garden in and start growing. The light turns on right away and has an automatic working cycle of 16 hours on and 8 hours off. Plug it in right after waking up, so it turns off automatically in the evening. The Smart Garden comes equipped with 2 light arm extensions. To bring the light to a higher position, take the lamp off the garden. Add the extension and place the lamp back on top of it. That's it. Enjoy Click and Growing! Congratulations on your new smart garden! Here's how you set it up. Unbox the components and start with assembling the lamp by adding the provided lamp arm extensions. Notice that there are 2 types of extensions. One extension type has a narrow groove in it that fits the power cord later on. Make sure you put the extension with the groove on the side to the same side as the groove on the water tank and on the lamp. Place only one extension arm on each side. Fit the lamp in place. If the lamp or the extension doesn't go all the way in, the parts may be on backwards. Fit the power cord in the groove like this. Now it's time to insert your Smart Soil plant pods into the garden. Remove the U-shaped lids from the plant cups and put them on the side for the time being. Remove the pods from their package and insert them into the plant cups. Then click the plant cups and U-shaped lids back in place. All the components of the plant cup are reusable, so don't throw them away after your first growing experience. Don't forget to add the transparent germination domes on each plant cup. They make the germination faster. Remove the domes once the sprouts start reaching them. To keep track of your plants, label them with a name and date using a non-permanent marker or a sticker. Fill the water tank with approximately 135 US fluid ounces, or 4 liters of water. Just pour the water on the float until it's at the same level with the top. The water lasts about 3 to 4 weeks. Your garden is almost ready to start growing. Plug it into your regular wall socket and you're set. You can expect sprouts to appear in 1 to 3 weeks depending on the plant. Happy growing!